To choose a function, press the function button until you reach your desired selection. This oven features a light, natural convection, fan forced, eco fan forced, fan assisted convection, grill, fan assisted double grill, pizza, bottom element, defrost, dough proofing, and pyrolytic self-cleaning. Once you have selected your function, use the arrow buttons or the sliding control to set the desired temperature. Then you simply need to press the Start Pause button for cooking to begin. The dashed line under the temperature display is like a loading bar, indicating that the heating process is underway. 8 steady lines indicate that the oven has reached the temperature that has been set. If at any time you wish to adjust the temperature inside the oven, simply use the arrow buttons to change it to your desired temperature. You can turn the light on and off inside the oven at any time by pressing the lamp button. If you wish to pause the cooking process, you can use the Start Pause button to do so. Then, if you want to cancel the program, you can press the On/Off button or press Start Pause again to resume cooking. Once you have selected your function and temperature, you can press the Quick Preheat button to speed up preheating. The Preheat symbol will appear on the display until the set temperature has been reached. To lock all oven functions, press and hold the child lock button for 3 seconds. You should hear a beep to indicate that the child lock has been activated. A lock symbol will also be shown on the display. In order to unlock oven functions, press and hold the same button for 3 seconds. You will hear the same beep and the lock symbol will disappear.